Hello, in this quick video, we'll be covering how to open a Unity project properly. We'll also look at how to identify a Unity project folder and why some projects might open with errors or missing files. When you open a Unity project folder, you should always see three key folders: Assets, Packages, and Project Settings. These three tell you that it's a Unity project. The Assets folder holds all your scenes, scripts, prefabs, art, as well as all of the other files needed to run and render your game. The Packages folder stores the list of Unity packages your project uses, and the Project Settings folder contains important settings such as your layers, text, and control bindings. Technically, Unity can still open a project if you only have the Assets folder, but if packages or project settings are missing, you might see broken scripts, missing packages, or wrong settings after opening it. So, if possible, always get all three folders. There are two ways to open a Unity project. The first and easiest way to open it is through Unity Hub. Open Unity Hub, click Add, then Add Project from Disk. Navigate to the folder that contains your Assets, Packages, and Project Settings folders. Select that folder and not the Assets folder itself. Unity Hub will detect it as a Unity project and show which version it was last opened with. Then you can click Open Project. You can also open a Unity project by double-clicking a scene file inside the Assets folder. It's usually the file with the .unity extension. If Unity Hub is installed, it will launch Unity automatically and try to open the project that the scene belongs to. However, I do not recommend you open projects this way because this fast boots the project and makes Unity skip loading essential packages. And that's it. I hope this video helps you open your Unity project without any errors. Thank you.